This 12-story high building is the iconic headquarters of Ichiran in Fukuoka, Japan. At pagkagaling sa airport, nag-check-in lang kami tapos dumiretso na agad dito para mag-dinner. Walking distance lang ito mula dun sa Airbnb namin. It was a rainy summer night and we were starving. Bawat isa sa 12 floors nila ay may kanya-kanyang kiosk where you're going to put your order in. I got their classic tonkotsu ramen which is 416 pesos. Tapos nagpa-extra ako ng pork which is 108 pesos naman. Doon ka na mismo sa kiosk magbabayad. Tapos, hahanap ka ng stall kung saan ka pupwesto. And then, if you-fill up mo yung card na to according to your preferences, kung gaano ka spicy or ka-thick yung broth. So, kung mapapansin nyo, the entire process, wala ka talagang kausap na tao. Everything is on a smooth and efficient system. Tapos, eto na yung ramen natin. It's that simple and classic at walang gimmick na ramen. And yes, maraming mga content creator yung nagsasabing there is more to ramen than Ichiran. And though that may be true, still, this is the most famous and iconic ramen chain in Japan. And having the chance to try it exactly in the place where it originated is something special. And lastly, we're having a matcha pudding that's worth 166 pesos naman. It's very light and delicate and super jiggly and has a subtle sweetness to it. At kung pupunta ka rin ng Japan soon at gusto mong itry itong Ichiran, don't worry kahit na hindi ka sa Fukuoka pupunta kasi they have around 80 branches all over the country. Tapos sa mga groceries and Don Quijote, makakabili ka rin ng Ichiran na nakapaket na pwede mong iuwi pang pasalubong at iluto sa bahay.